Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhazila. My metric number is 2021113199 and I'm from class 4C.
Nanotechnology is a study and application of extremely small things that can be used across all the other science fields, such as chemistry, biology, physics, and also agriculture. And it also taught by physicist Richard Feynman during talk entitled "There is Plenty of Room at the Bottom" at an American Physical Society meeting. It is also used to control individuals' atoms and molecules. So the tools that can be used to see it is with scanning tunneling microscope (SEM) and atomic force microscope (AFM. How is nanotechnology in agriculture? It is monitors a living agriculture controlling process, especially by its miniature dimension. Nanomaterials in agriculture is to reduce the amount of sprayed chemical, minimize nutrient losses in fertilization, and increase yield through pest and nutrient management. Nanotechnology is used to improve the agriculture includes the specific application such as nanofertilizer and nanopesticide to trail product and nutrient level to increase the productivity without contamination of soil, water, and the others. The researcher were able to deliver genetic material into a plant cell in the study by attaching it to carbon nanotubes, which is small enough to pass easily through a plant cell wall. They experimented with various solutions for attaching DNA to nanotubes and discovered that positively charging the nanotube before presenting the DNA caused it to adhere like bits of paper to a static electricity charged comb. Their process has the potential to rapidly and efficiently supply genes to plant across species, and using such a method could encourage the creation of transgenic plant lines without inserting foreign DNA into the genome. Through the study and research that I've done, nanotechnology can fix a genetic defect. So genetic engineering is the biotechnological manipulation of genetic material that involve the insertion or deletion of one or more nucleotides, gene, or genetic fragments. Researchers at the University of California demonstrated how carbon nanotubes and the popular CRISPR or CAS19 genetic editing system could be used to easily manipulate a plant's genome in a 2019 study. The majority of plant genetic engineering is done by injection genes into plant tissue or inserting genes through genetically modified bacteria. While nanotechnology holds great promise for gene manipulation, researchers are also exploring ways to advance nanotechnology by using genetic materials. Furthermore, the strict base pairing of DNA allowed for the design of molecules that self-assemble into desired shape or interact in desired ways. Agriculture has always benefited from technological advancement throughout history. In addition, as agriculture faces numerous and unprecedented challenges, such as decreased crop yield through biotic and abiotic stresses, such as nutrient deficiency and pollution, the emergent or nanotechnology has offered promising application for precision agriculture. Recent advances in tissue engineering and engineered nanomaterial-based targeted delivery of CRISPR, which is CRISPR associated protein, mRNA, and sgRNA for crop genetic modification, are notable scientific achievements. Furthermore, nanotechnology provides excellent solutions for an increasing number of environmental challenges. Rice is a main cash crop all around the globe. It is grown under a wide range of environments. With a growing global population, food insecurity is a major concern. The main challenge with conventional farming is maintaining crop productivity, soil structure, and fertility. Traditional rice crop farming practices reduce soil fertility and increase the negative impact on environmental ecosystem. This traditional method increases the risk of global warming while reducing the effectiveness of agriculture operations. To achieve the necessary food production in recent era, nanotechnology has emerged as one of the most promising techniques to revolutionize traditional food, science, and technologies. Rice production increased by approximately 7.9 tons per hectare due to the use of urea nanofertilizer, which is higher than the normal urea fertilizer rate of 7.3 tons per hectare. Calcium phosphate, and other micronutrients are provided by HA or bioceramic. The use of nano inorganic fertilizer on rice plant in the absence of NPK and urea fertilization did not increase the weight of harvested dry grain, milled dry grain, or dry straw. The use of nano inorganic fertilizer at 200 and 400 times dilution at 75% NPK plus nutrient fertilization result in harvested dry grain, dry milk grain weight, and dry straw weight that were statistically equivalent to the 100% recommendation of NPK plus urea fertilization. In comparison to 200 times dilution at the same NPK plus urea fertilization or a 75% recommendation, the application of nano-inorganic fertilizer with 400 times dilution produced statistically the same weight of harvested dry grain and dry milk grain. The application of nano-inorganic fertilizers with a 400-fold dilution at a 75% NPK plus urea fertilization recommendation, however, produced the highest yield. The efficiency of using NPK plus urea can be increased by 25% by using nano-inorganic fertilizers. Agriculture, which is the only provider of human foods and supply that should produce from traditional and final input with well-known technologies. It is necessary to take a modern knowledge in agriculture. Therefore, the new and future technology is nanotechnology that possesses very unique property in food supply chain and also around the world agriculture sector. Lastly, some areas need more attention in near future. Researchers in the fields of agriculture, nanotechnology, or nanofood.